Hi, this is travel.The. This mini foam soap dispensers from Tzirci store has been a lifesaver for me because I do customize my hand soap and my lash cleanser. So they're really simple to use. I just add my product and water, and I get this beautiful foam. It's not watery, but it's just foam that it will stay in place for me to use it. So I get to customize my products, the things that I use on a daily basis. And what I like about these bottles too is that they fit this two by two labels that I can just put in place to know what is inside. And they look really nice, amazing. For myself, sometimes I just give it away as a present. And that's my point of view.